Put them. Charge. We are done with this one, right? Anaconda, are we done? Anaconda installation. Okay, PyCharm is one ID. Same thing like that. Anaconda also would have. We'll see. Yeah, this is the running topic. I hope you guys know. Maybe on Monday. Maybe. I'm not sure. Can I help you resume preparation? Hmm? It's the right time. You need some new different thing actually rather than subject. Huh? Monday, get ready. I will explain what is a resume, how to prepare resume. In resume, what are the things we need to add. On Monday, I can cover actually. Let us fix on Monday. Monday, don't miss the session. Okay? Ensure that you should understand that one first. Okay, let us start. Online team, can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? On Monday, I will explain what is a resume, how to prepare a resume. Small interview discussion also I will give total day session, and I will share couple of resumes with you. Fresher resume and experienced resume. Which resume, sir? Fresher and experienced, right? According to you, you try accordingly actually. Yeah, come on. So what is the topic name? Can somebody talk with me? Machine learning, cost function. Yeah, please understand the flow. When I say the ML flow, ML flow, ML flow. Tell me, sir. First one is I just wanted to hear ML steps first from you. These are all very common. And tell me, first one is importing libraries. Second one, loading the data set. Third one, data preparation. Fourth one, splitting the data set. By default, what is the splitting ratio? Hmm? What is the function name? Good. Fifth one is model creation. Sixth one, model training. Seventh one, either you know practically or not, that doesn't matter actually, but you should know these steps. The very damn sure interview question during interview, please explain what is your roles and responsibility. During interview you need to tell these points actually. On daily basis I used to import the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, blah blah. These are all things you need to tell actually. You guys getting right? Yeah, good. So the next one will be ML flow. What is the next one? ML flow. Sir, this ML steps and ML flow created by me. The terminology is created by me actually, right? So don't search this terminology during interview. I mean during Google actually. ML flow, tell me. First one is data. Next one. Very good. Next one. Yeah, feature engineering. Engineering. Next one. Array. Next one. Machine learning algorithm. Next one is what exactly? Machine learning algorithm. ML algorithm again depend upon one more topic actually. The topic name is called as a gradient descent algorithm. What is the topic name? Gradient descent algorithm. Gradient descent, what exactly? Algorithm. Again, gradient descent algorithm depend upon another topic. The topic name is called as a cost function. What is the topic name? These steps you need to understand. Gradient descent algorithm, separate topic. Now, if you want, you can see here somewhere 16th. The topic name is the number disorder actually 16th. We would have a separate discussion. Now, today, let us try to understand cost function. What is the topic name? Cost function, please. Cost function. I hope yesterday I started already discussion. But let me tell you, yesterday I told when I say cost function, it is mainly for optimization purpose, sir. What purpose actually? Optimization purpose. What is an optimization? Let me tell you. Please come on, look at my screen. Yeah, cost functions. Yeah, there are mainly two types of algorithms. First one is a supervised, next one is unsupervised, third one is reinforcement. When I say supervised, two types actually. First one is regression, next one classification. One more time. Yeah, regression cost functions are different. Supervised. When I say supervised, the first one is regression algorithms would you have. Second one is a classification algorithms would you have. Regression cost functions are separate. We do have a different cost functions. Regression cost functions are quite different, and classification cost functions are quite different actually. Today we are going to understand this, and later we can understand. First of all, it is okay, ignore this word also. Let us understand what exactly, sir. Cost function. Good. Cost functions also called as a loss functions. Cost functions also called as what exactly? Loss function. Sir, let me tell you. First of all, let us make it very clear. Please understand this step. Let us take a data set. The data set is kind of, area. Next one is rice packs. Area. Tell me. 1 acre, 10, 2 acres, 3 acres, 4. Yeah, enough. 440. Now, suddenly someone came and he is asking for 5. Someone came and he is asking for what exactly? 5 actually. Now I came across the predicted value is what exactly? 52. Assuming that the predicted value, what is this value? Predicted value is the 52, and actually who is having 5 across? This is the actual value. This what exactly? And hold on, let us make it, this is the predicted value, and let us just push this value to here actually. What is the actual value now? Actual value is the 50. Actual value is what exactly? 50, but the predicted value is, then can somebody say here we do have what exactly, sir? Error. 52 minus 50 or 50 minus 52. Anything is fine. What is error value? 2 plus or minus 2. Sir, this 2 is called as a cost. Also called as a error. Also called as what exactly? Error. Cost. Also called as a loss. These are all names actually. These are all what exactly? Names. I'm repeating again. Backend machine learning algorithm will do prediction for every record. For what exactly, sir? Every record. And finally, it will get prepare the cost value also. This is not required to see what is the cost value. And if you want, I can show you also. But let us continue. First of all, slowly by slowly understand. In math, this is also called as what exactly, sir? Yeah, residual. Residual. We already covered actually. Residual. Am I right? Read everyone. First one is a residual cost, loss, error, uh, bias also. I will tell you later what is a bias. You can still say this is the bias value. What value? Bias value. Come on, one more time. Residual cost, loss, bias, error. These are all same. These are all what exactly? Error. When I say error, don't ask name error, type error. No. That is a Python related error. What errors are? Python related error. This is the quite different error. Good. These are optimization techniques. These are all what exactly? Optimization techniques. What do you mean by optimization techniques? I hope yesterday I have given one example. Today, let me give one more example. Then we will enter into the discussion. Read everyone. These means cost functions. Hold on. When I say regression cost functions, we do have a mainly 3 men. We do have mainly how many actually? 3 actually. First one is MAE. What is the first one? Mean absolute error. If you want, let me just try to write mean absolute error. Second one is what exactly? MSC. MSC means any idea? Mean squared error. Squared error. Next one is just to take the same thing. Yeah. Here RMSC. What do you mean by RMSC? Root means squared error. Root means squared. What exactly? Error. Come on, read everyone. In regression, in what exactly? Regression, there are 3 cost functions would we have. There are how many cost functions, sir? 3 cost functions. First one is a MAE. Next one is MSC. Come on, hold on. Read everyone. Otherwise, I will not leave you actually. Important. How many? Tell me. 3. What is the first one? MAE. MAE means mean absolute error. MSA means mean squared error. RMSA means, yeah, when I say these, means these three are optimization techniques. Or what exactly? First of all, let us understand what do you mean by optimization technique. Then we will enter into the topic. Good. What do you mean by optimization technique? Yesterday I explained already. We went to mango tree. First attempt failed actually. Second attempt failed. Third attempt success. Don't think like only third attempt is a success actually. Even first attempt and second attempt helped me how to achieve the success. How to achieve what exactly, sir? What is the speed ratio? What is the angle? What is the direction I need to throw? These are all things it helped actually. Today, let me take one more example. That example is related to, let me take, I have done my MC in the year of 2010, but when I joined, I started in the year of 2001 minute. Yeah, 2007. I started in the year of 2007, and exactly it is a 3 years MCA course. But nowadays I came across 2 years only. Huh? Is it? MCA I came across 2 years only. Unnecessarily I wasted 1 year, sir. Okay. The government, it's okay. Sir, what exactly happened, when I joined 2007, let me tell first two semester. What is the first one? First two semester. This is my roles and responsibilities. Think logically. Total, I do have a, please don't talk during the session. Total, I'm having, I'm having, on an average 4 hours free time, sir. Free time. 4 hours, how long time actually? Free time. All my activities, college time, these are all things. Morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours, I do have a free time actually. In this 4 time, please know what is my role, Sir, mostly what I used to do, first, the playing cricket. I like cricket very well. Second one is reading books actually. I mean, study time. What time actually? Study time. Study time actually. Now, let me tell you, sir, Monday, first today. This is my roles and responsibilities. On an average, 3.5 hours. How many hours actually? 3.5 hours. Cricket only. 3.5 hours, how many? Cricket only. Then what is the remaining time? 30 minutes. What is the 30 minutes time? Any idea? Eating actually. Assuming that study time. Good. And second day also, the pattern, no change actually. Till to the exam, I maintain the same. Till to what exactly? Exam, I maintain the same. Good. Second day. And this is what exactly, sir? Third day. Third day. No change actually. Nothing is changed. Then, but exactly. Exam came. I have done exam actually. I have done what exactly? Exam. Then it's a right time for what exactly? Results, sir. Very good. So the results came. Results came. Let me tell you frankly, in results, I came across out of 100%, I just got 36%, sir. I just got what exactly? 36%. I came across, I'm an average student actually. I came across what exactly happened. Luckily, first semester, no backlogs. First semester is what exactly? In third semester, I have a backlog. That to DBMS. What is the topic? Since my MC, I hate database actually. It's okay. Let's move on. This is what exactly first two semester, right? Come on, look at my screen. In first semester, first day, second day, third day, till to the last all days actually. This is my whole hour activities. 3.5 hours. Total time I used to spend for playing cricket. I used to spend for what exactly? Waste of time. I didn't play any international games actually. Just like a streeting games actually. Okay. Then in second semester onwards, I myself decided something, sir. What I decided, look at my screen. Hey boss, definitely in the first semester something got blessed actually. At least I qualified. I pass actually. Then second semester I'm very serious. Second semester I'm very serious. Let me tell you the pattern. Suddenly you should not change your behavior. First of all, that is a wrong actual. Best example. Almost how long time you are playing? 3.5 hours. Sir, frankly speaking, you should not stop playing cricket suddenly. If you stop playing cricket, your brain will not work actually. I mean, that is a fact. That's what, who are all addicted for the alcohol actually. I'm sorry for getting. Who are all addicted for what exactly? Alcohol. If they stop suddenly, gone case actually. I'm sorry. Good. Now let us start the discussion. Now, can somebody talk with me? How long time? Initially, I used to playing the cricket. 3.5 hours. Good. Sir, 3 hours I played cricket. And remaining how many time actually? 1 hour. Very good. 1 minute or 1 hour, sir? 1 hour study time. Good. And second day, slowly by slowly, what exactly happened, Second day also 3 hours. Second day also what exactly? 3 hours. And the third day, this is the third day, 2 hours. And here how many hours? 2 hours actually. Like I reached in certain level, what exactly happened, boss? Just 1 hour I'm spending. How long time I'm spending actually? 1 hour I'm spending, and 3 hours for what exactly? Study. Slowly by slowly, my friends are observing my nature and behavior actually. Then it's at exams time. Frankly speaking, I written exams very well. Then previously, what is my score actually? Tell me. 36. Now, do you think I got 90 actually? No, no, sir. It's 55. What is that one? I'm an average student, boss. Frankly speaking, in my whole academic, I average student. But compared to 36, 55 is what exactly? Okay. Now here, what exactly happened? Sir. In second semester, I applied optimization technique. What technique I applied actually? Optimization technique. What do you mean by optimization? You should know what to increase, what to decrease, so that you can reach certain level actually. So that you can reach what exactly? Certain level, right? This is called as a what exactly, sir? Talk with me. Optimization technique. Good. Ultimately, can I say optimization technique help me to reach good position? To reach what exactly? Good position. Sir, same thing like that. Back end cost functions are available. What is available? For all ML algorithms, first time ML algorithm will do the prediction. First time ML algorithm will do what exactly? Prediction. Cost function will tell, boss, it's a kind of some wrong prediction. It's a kind of some what exactly? Wrong prediction. Then machine learning algorithm, second time, oh, previously I done prediction. It seems to be it is the wrong prediction. Let me improve. Let me improve. It is also done the prediction second time. If you want, hold on, sir. I'm sorry, this theory I can cover later. Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram slowly by slowly. Let me drink water 1 minute. Don't depend upon the calculation. This is just for your better understanding. Assuming that this is the machine learning model first iteration. This is the machine learning model first what exactly? Iteration. This machine learning model done one prediction. That prediction value is what exactly? Sir, we have to talk. One more time. Last time. Good. Prediction value is what exactly? 50. Then this ML algorithm model talking with the cost function. As I told you, ML algorithm and cost functions both are best friends actually. Both are having mobile number. It will call each other and it will talk actually. Boss, I done the prediction. I'm sending the prediction value. Check. Is it good value or not actually? Then cost function, what exactly it will do? Cost function knows what is actual value. Then it knows actual value, it knows predicted value, then it will apply cost function result. That is nothing but what exactly? Actual value minus predicted value. It know the cost actually. When I say cost, do let me know error value. What value? Yeah. What is the prediction value, sir? 50. What is actual value? 200. Then what is error? 150. Frankly speaking, this cost function is telling prediction is very poor, boss. Take back your error. You done the prediction. I know the actual value. You provided predicted value, then I done calculation. I'm giving the error value. I'm giving what exactly? Error value. Now you may think like this cost function directly can tell the actual value. Am I right? It never tell actually. Best example, our father never tell the right things, all right things actually. And our father will guide us, assuming that there are some 1,000 good things actually. How many? Do you think our father will make us to sit and he will guide all 1,000 actually? No, 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 sir. He will explain 50, 100, 200, then he will leave actually. And in our lifetime, we need to learn slowly by slowly. Same thing like that. Cost function never ever reveal actual value. But cost function indirectly helps to the machine learning algorithm. I can give the error value. I can give what exactly? Error value actually. What is error value? Talk with me. Next time onwards, what machine learning algorithm will do? First time I done prediction, I came across error is the 50. Next time, when I'm doing prediction actually, error should not be what exactly? What, it should not be greater than 150. Sir, I'm repeating again. Error should be always minimize value. What value actually? Minimize value. Yeah, good. Hold on. Look at my screen, please. Easy. These are all very easy. Good. Error always stands at top position. Assuming that this is something like a, what I can say, this is something like a mountain. This is something like what exactly? Something like a mountain actually. Can I say this is the top position? Sir, in top position, error is assuming that 150 value. What value? 150 value. First time it done prediction and first time it came across error value is the 150 actually. Then you talk with me. Error supposed to travel upward direction or downward direction, sir? Always downward direction. Assuming that here you kept the ball actually. Here you kept what exactly? Ball. Do you think it will go upside actually? No, sir. Basic question. The ball will travel towards to this direction. How a ball will travel towards to down direction in a bowl actually? Same thing like that. Error. Once you are getting 150, what is the next value, no, sir? 140. Tell me what is the next value? 120. Tell me what is the next value? 100 value. Tell me next value actually. Sir, like this, keep on it will go. And now let me tell you, error value is the 2 man. Error value is what exactly? 2. Now you talk with me. 150 error is good or 2 error is good, sir? Yeah, I hope you got it. Machine learning algorithm, backend, it will train the data. Backend, during training, exactly this is happening. During what exactly, sir? Training the data. During training the data, machine learning algorithm first time trained the data. First time it called the fit method and automatically it came across this is the error value. Second time it will do the prediction 140. Third time it will do the prediction 120. Machine learning algorithm knows very well where exactly it's supposed to stop the training actually. Right. What is error value here actually? Talk with me. 2. Then machine learning algorithm will stop the training actually. It will tell I'm ready for the prediction. Why? Because the error value is the small. And one important interview question. What is important interview question? Error never be 0. One more time, tell me. Error never be 0. Can you show me the person who is not at all doing any mistake actual? Can we show? Highly impossible, sir. Same thing like that. Machine learning algorithm, error never be 0. Can somebody talk with me one more time? Error never be 0 actual. Good. Now see here, cost function. It knows the actual value. It knows the predicted value. It is throwing what exactly, sir? 150, 150. It is giving the error. Now again, go to the model. This machine learning algorithm. Now what is the prediction? 150. What is the actual value? 200. What is the error value? Yeah, very good. Previously, what is error value? Previously, what is error value, sir? 150. Now, what is error value? Now, what exactly happened? Error reduced actually. Error what exactly? Reduced. Now, machine learning algorithm believe the error. Machine learning algorithm, instead of checking the prediction, it believes the error value actually. Hey boss, is it error value is the small one or bigger one? Small one or bigger one? Small one or bigger one? Like this, lot of iterations are happening in the backend actually. If you want, it's okay. Even though it takes time, but let me show you. Practically, machine learning algorithm cannot display, but deep learning example I can show you. Just hold on. If you give 1 minute time, not 1 minute, sir, 2 minutes I need actually. Let me show you. Such a nice example I will show you. Look at my screen, everyone, please. Come here. Deep learning. Deep learning, deep learning, deep learning. I need a first example. Yeah, don't worry. These are all deep learning examples. You don't know deep learning, right? Tell me what is this? What is this? That's it, deep learning actually. I mean to say that just we are playing with classes and functions. That's it. As of now, if you didn't understand this example also, don't worry. But check the output actually. Sir, are you getting what I'm saying? As of now, if you didn't understand this example also, don't worry. Check the example. Check the output, please. Hmm. Sir, what exactly I'm telling you know, in machine learning algorithm, while training actually, while what exactly training, error value will be reduced. Error value will be what exactly, sir? Reduce. This we cannot see practically in machine learning. Like a range data type, you know, right? Range data type values cannot expose the directly values actually, but list data structure, it can display. This is something, machine learning is something like a range. It cannot tell the error value, right? But deep learning it can tell. Let me show you. If you want, I will repeat one more time. Are you ready? Can I run, sir? This is the deep learning example. Get ready. Can somebody talk with me? Read this one one more time. Last time. Now read this one one more time. Good. Hold on. Keep in mind that. It takes some time, sir. Though deep learning example, it takes some time to run actually. And you can see the output. Very easy, boss. Mm. Check it out. Loss means what exactly, sir? Error value. What is the loss value? Initially 60 you have seen, now 59 you are saying, 58 you are saying. You know what exactly happened? 57. Now what exactly happened? Something like a 57, 56 actually. Now what is error value? 55. Sir, now go back. Error started initially how much value actually? Something like a 0.80. What is that one? 0.80. When it is reaching to the last actually, what is error value, sir? Talk with me. Error value is what exactly? Do you think 0.80 is the bigger one or else point? What happens, sir? Yeah, 0.55 is the bigger one actually. This one is the small one. This one is what exactly? Small one actually. Now you need to run, you need to understand one point. What is that point? You know, I will run one more time. Hold on. Sir, exactly. During training, go back, take all these steps actually. Come on, come on. Now you are entering into the actual discussion. Hmm. There is a training. There is what exactly, sir? Training. During this training, two things are happening, sir. During this, two things are happening. Two things are what exactly are happening. What all things are happening, you know? So the first one will be error is reducing. What is the first one, sir? One more time. Yeah. Second point will be accuracy is increasing. Accuracy is what exactly? Increasing. This is what you need to understand. Let us take a small person, a 5 years kid actually. Initially, he is doing 100 mistakes. How many mistakes he is doing? 100 mistakes actually. He is eating chocolates, he is eating some drinks actually. He's, small naughty things he's doing. But when he's growing, automatically, errors will be reduced actually. And accuracy will be what exactly? Increasing. During training, any algorithm in a machine learning will do two things, man. Read everyone. What is the first one? Error is reducing. Next one is what exactly? Accuracy is increasing. Something like this. Look at my screen. See, initially, error is the very bigger value. 1.7 is bigger error. What is accuracy? 53 only. What is accuracy? 53 only. This is in a first iteration. And it is in second iteration, third iteration, fourth iteration, back end during training ML algorithm, it will walk through many iterations, boss. Like a for loop actually. First time iteration, first time training, second time training, third time training, keep on all these things actually. In every iteration, talk with me. What is reducing actually? Loss is reducing. If I say loss means what exactly, sir? Error. Error is what exactly? reducing. Yeah, just try to say 0.75, 0.71, 0.69, 0.69. Keep on like this actually. And what is that? Now, what is actual error value? 55. What is the error value? 55. Initially, what is accuracy, sir? 0.53. What is the accuracy value here actually? What is the accuracy value? 70. 0.59. Compared to that, 70 accuracy is really good actually. If you want, let me run the example one more time. This is the deep learning example. Deep learning is awesome. Let me give previously 150 iterations I have given, right? Let me give 300. Deep learning is very easy. Now, just try to check it out. Deep learning, machine learning, both are same. Get small error value actually. Now the error value is 61, 60, 59. In one shot, it is reached to 59, sir. We are in 60, 70th iteration. This is something like English movie, right? English movie in console. Somewhere I'm saying 40, it is touching error value. Machine learning algorithm trying the best to reach minimum error value. Wow. Sir, previously, what is the error value? 55. Now, what is error value? 48. Now, what is accuracy? 77 previously. Yeah. Now, I'm repeating again. Whenever you're talking about the machine learning, either machine learning or deep learning, definitely training is required. What is required, sir? During training, keep in mind that two things are happening, boss. Till now, we didn't reveal. Why? Because it's a time to reveal actually. During ML training, machine learning algorithm take the data, means input and output actually. At that time, it is happening two things actually. Machine learning algorithm is responsible for two things. First one, let me reduce the error. Let me reduce what exactly? Error. Error should not be greater than, error should not be bigger value actually. And the second one is what exactly? Let me give the best accuracy. Let me give what exactly? Good accuracy. Guys, are you getting your one? Good. I mean to say that. If you want, I will explain practically. Matrix movie. Yeah. Srikanth, even I feel the same actually. I have seen all versions. Matrix 1, Matrix 2. Have you seen? You have to see, sir, if you didn't see. Hold on, please. Kindly, please wait some time actually. Sir, it's a right time. Get ready. Get ready. Till now, either you understand or not. Now, the example what I'm going to cover that you need to understand, that is not a practical example. Just for normal example, I will give data set. Same data set I'm going to take. Area, rice packs. Area 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. Good. So assuming that there is a step actually, what is the step, sir? Model dot fit method. Model dot what exactly? Fit method. Here you need to provide what exactly? Area. Very good. Here you need to provide what exactly? Rice. You need to provide what exactly? Rice. Now, once you have given this existing data, then what exactly it started in the backend? Training started, sir. What started actually? Training started actually. Please focus. Important. Backend, once the training started actually, it will maintain one column. That column is the predicted value. What column value actually? Predicted value. After predicted, it will maintain one thing that is nothing but a cost. That is nothing but what exactly? Cost actually. Now, first time, this algorithm will take 1 and will take 10 actually. Can somebody talk with me here? What is the value, sir? 1 and what exactly? 10. Yeah, good. Now, ML algorithm, it will do automatically some prediction. That prediction value, initially it is done prediction for 70. Assuming that machine learning algorithm for 1 acre, how much actually, 10 is the actual value. 10 is what exactly? Actual value. But predicted value is how much actually? 70. Then talk with me. What is error value, sir? Very nice, man. Now here onwards, it will depend upon that 60 value. It will depend upon what exactly? 60 value. Now talk with me. Next one, next what is the value? 2. And here what is the value? 20. ML algorithm never bother about this 20 value. Now randomly it will do the prediction, assuming that the prediction will be the 60 actually. Now what is error value? 40. Sir, previously what is error? Now what is error? Yeah, good. Now again it will take 330, and like this process is keep on happening actually. Let us just try to maintain this is the area. This is what exactly, sir? Rice packets. Now let us do 40. What is error value? Sir, tell me. 10. Now here it is done prediction for 44. What is error value? 4. Seriously, Superman. During training, it is getting the all error values for every iteration and every record actual. Initially, can I say this is the bigger value? Bigger value. This one also bigger. This is okay error. This what exactly? Small, I would like to say small value. This is very small value. This what exactly, sir? Very small value. Very small value. You talk with me. Which error is really good, sir? Do you think 60 is good or 40 is good actually? Yes, exactly. 4 is really good value. Now, machine learning algorithm stop training actually. Once it is raising small error. Once it is raising what exactly? Small error. Did you understand? Good. Sir, sometimes what exactly happen, here 60, 160, next to 40. Something like that also it will get it out actually. Don't think like, it will be always minimized. Sometimes it will be maximized also randomly 1 or 2 times, right? This is just a theory. Deep learning example. Let me stop this example. Yeah, good. Initially, error value is the 150. Next error value is what exactly? 80. Keep in mind that first time once it is getting error value is the bigger, last error should not be same actually. Last error should be minimized. Last error should be what exactly? Minimize actually. Good. Move to the next one. Now what is error value? 80. Now what is error value? 9. You talk with me. Previously, first time 150. Now what is error value? What is the predicted result actually? 199. What is the actual result? 200. This is seriously super. Now this cost function is telling prediction is really very good. Go for prediction. It is telling, Arey boss, you really done nice prediction actually. Did you understand? Yeah, good. This is the just diagrams. I know I skipped the theory. Move on and I will explain the theory one by one actually. Online team, are you getting, sir? Online team, can I get a response? Are you getting what I'm saying? Slowly by slowly, let us just try to understand. You need to spend some time to understand these are all stuff. Okay? Yeah, get ready. Cost functions also called as a loss functions in machine learning. These are optimization techniques. There are many cost functions in machine learning. There are different cost functions for the regression and what exactly? Classification. Why cost functions in a machine learning? As I told you, during training phase, the model assumes initial error value. Weight means assuming that error randomly and tries to make to do what exactly, sir? Prediction. Good. Now let me take this one. Read everyone what is this value, sir? Talk with me. Yeah, weights actually. Now go back. I just need to show. Come on, it is very easy. Sir, again, you guys need to spend on this diagram. Just 1 or 2 times we'll spend over this diagram actually. Sir, initially, M value and B value, please observe. M value and B value, please observe actually. Randomly, it is started from 0. After 200, you have to look at here. After 200, look at here. Yeah, did you notice? Initially, M value and B value is what exactly? 0. Like my cricket, how I am maintaining and my study hours, it is balancing each other actually. Am I right or not, sir? Back end, we are getting this best fitted line because of the cost function. Because of what exactly? You guys are thinking like this is algorithm actually. Yes, algorithm plus cost functions works together to get this best fitted line. To get this what exactly, sir? Best fitted line actually. Initially, these values randomly it will take. Then slowly by slowly it will do optimize actually. I know it's a kind of theory, but you need to spend. There is no option. Come here. Now read everyone this point actually. During training phase, the model assuming that initial weight value. Initial what exactly? Sir, here weight means bias value. I'm sorry, sir, not bias actually. We have a coefficient man. I'm sorry. Weight means what exactly? Coefficient. Weight is the terminology belongs to the deep learning. And in machine learning, it is called as a coefficient. Did you remember? Machine learning will give by default two attributes. What is the first one? Coefficient, and next one is intercept. Initially, coefficient value randomly it will choose and it will do the prediction on training data. So here, how the model get to know how much far it was from the prediction? Model need this information so that it can adjust the weights accordingly. Next iteration to training. Then definitely backend it will use what exactly, sir? Cost function. I'm repeating again. Initially, randomly it will take some coefficient value. With that coefficient value, it will do the prediction. Then once it is done the prediction value, actual value, it will compare and it will get the error value actually. Definitely for ml algorithm wanted to know what is the error value, how much far from the prediction value from actual value actually. This information will be provided by whom actually, sir? Cost function. How cost function works? Cost function is a function. I'm repeating again. Here function means don't compare with the Python function. The name, that is the name actually. Cost function is the name of the topic. Cost function is a function that takes both predicted output and what exactly, sir? Actual output from the model. From what exactly? Model. Then it calculates how much error in the model to predict what exactly, sir? Good result. It will do calculate actually. Then in the next step, model tries to adjust the error value for the next iteration and training phase. Exactly we have seen right in a visualization. Deep learning visualization, error value bigger, slowly by slowly, what exactly happening? It is reducing actually. Now I'm repeating again. The goal of training is to come up with weights, sir, that minimize error value in every iteration. Am I right or not, sir? Every iteration error supposed to be what exactly? Reduce or else minimize error actually. This way of training is required in a machine learning to optimize the model. You guys need to walk through this one. It is okay. This is the theory. And regression cost function. This is easy for you. Please observe this one. Look at my screen. I understand your question, Dinesh. Accuracy. Let us other guys understand the question. Sir, when ML algorithm automatically fixing the error rate and increasing accuracy, then why people will say we should do model tuning, improving accuracy actually? This is the actual question. Assume that if ML model is working everything, why we need to tune actually? Sir, go back and hyperparameter tuning technique. There is a topic. Can you please help me? Your question I'm going to answer at last topic, sir. It takes some time actually. I mean to say that here, hyperparameter tuning technique actually. Dinesh, we have to wait. Definitely I can cover this one. This is called as a tuning technique. Definitely the tuning techniques is really matters actually. Okay. Then you already know machine learning. The way how you asked, I can predict actually. Come on. No answer. It's okay. Let's move to the discussion. All right. In regression, the model predicts the output value for each training data during the training phase. The cost function for regression is called as a distance-based error. There are mainly three types, sir. Yeah. Cost function, also called as a, there are mainly three metrics in regression. There are mainly what exactly? Three metrics. Good. Hold on. Talk with me. Cost functions. When I say cost functions, Regression cost function. Regression, what exactly? Cost function. Also having another name, regression matrix actually. Regression, what exactly? Matrix. It's not like a matrix actually. I'm repeating one more time. Read everyone. Regression cost function, also called as a regression matrix. And second one will be as usual. All right, good. Then machine learning is done for you. How training is going on? Online team, guys, other guys, hold on. Dinesh, I am student in here in Canada, learning data science program. Sir, just a small question, sir. Do let me know how many years actually, how many years course, and what is the fee structure? Hmm? Let me know. Just casual asking. How many years course actually? Very good, sir. The answer will be 2 years. And what is the cost actually? 24 lakhs. It is okay. But in USA, there was one university, it is collecting 40 lakhs actually. The point will be data science is a kind of, they made it like a PG, post graduation actually. Right? Good, good. All right. Let me ask you one last question. This I should not ask actually. How you are feeling actually? How you are feeling compared to, I mean, we should not compare. Canada sessions good or Naresh IT sessions good, sir? Just I'm asking. Hold on. In a straight away, you can tell. You can scold also, no worries. Anyway, that is a kind of some university. But let me tell you, in a 2 years, what they will cover, sir? In a 2 years, actually, they can cover, frankly speaking, Naresh IT could not understand in college anything actually. I mean, what he said actually? Okay, okay. Frankly speaking, okay, good. Let me tell you, he is understanding Naresh IT session, sir. I'm confirming one more time. Look at my screen. Come on, I'm kidding. I know very well what I'm teaching. Why? Because a real-time working employee, I can teach in such a way that what I can say, mm, I'm saying some, yeah, in within 2 years, what they will cover, sir, they will start from the scratch, like a Hadoop actually, PySpark, Spark, these are all things. But frankly speaking, not required. I mean, to work as a data scientist, these are all not required actually, right? All right, sir. Then let's move on. What is a prompt engineer? Maybe one Saturday I can take one workshop, sir. Prompt engineer. Recently, do you know Devin AI actually? Devin AI. Hmm. These are all things I will take one day. You should know industry updates, please. Yeah. All right, please. I'm sorry. Let's move on to the discussion. There are mainly three metrics or three cost functions in a regression. First one is MSC, RMSC. Next one is MEI. I hope you already know actually. Come on, look at my screen. Distance based error. These three is called as a, these three having separate name. That name is called as what exactly, sir? One more time. Distance based error actually. Simple. What do you mean by distance based error? Actual value minus predicted value. Error equals to what exactly, sir? Actual value minus predicted value. This is also known as a distance based error, and it will form the basic of the cost function that are used in what exactly? Regression model. Sir, this is completely back end related to the math actually. Now I have a one question. Have you seen this type of diagram anywhere? Come again? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody told actually. R squared value. What value? In a math, the same this kind of diagram we have seen, sir. You need to walk through one time math actually. Okay. After correlation, R squared value I have explained actually. Yeah, points means it is the distance, right? How far it is actually. Sir, exactly. Let me tell you. Without this regression, R squared value we cannot get it. By default, regression is required. In this diagram, regression is involving, and at the same time, R squared also is involving actually. Good. Keep in mind that. Now, MSC, mean squared error. Sir, read this point actually. Only with red letters. Mean of this squared error, difference between predicted value and what exactly? Expected value. It's something like, the mean of squared difference between predicted value and expected value. No need to remember the formula. You no need to remember. Not at all required actually. Then though you no need to remember, definitely there is a Python function. That function you need to remember actually. Are you guys getting? Good. It's a kind of some mean of the squared difference between predicted value and the expected target value. Now get ready. I have a question for you. Mean underscore squared underscore error. What is this one? Function. Good. Let me drink water 1 minute. In sklearn package, there is a function. That function name is a mean underscore squared underscore error. Then get ready. Assuming that these are all actual value, expected value. These are all predicted value. These are all what exactly? Predicted value. I'm repeating again. I would like to say this is actual value. This is what exactly? Predicted value, predicted value, predicted value. I mean, I'm expecting so and so scenario. 1.0 is the actual value. 1.0 is what exactly? Actual value. But what is the predicted result? 1.0. 1.0 is the actual value. What is the predicted value? 0. What is error? 0.1. Good. Keep in mind that 1.0. Predicted values 0.8. What is the error? Like this, let us take a group of actual values. For this actual value, let us take group of predicted values also. Group of what exactly, sir? Predicted values also. Now, good. Keep in mind that. Let us continue. Then you guys need to import one function. For this function, it takes two parameters actually. The first one is the actual value. Next one is what exactly? Predicted value. Then automatically you will get a error value. You will get what exactly, sir? Error value. But let me tell one point. In real time, we never ever print the error values. Error values. Not at all required actually. The conclusion of the story, I need a help from you. ML flow. ML flow. Talk with me. What is ML flow? Data. Next one is team. Are you feeling boring actually? Data frame. After data frame, feature engineering. After feature engineering, after array, ML algorithms actually. After feature engineering, what exactly? ML algorithm. After ML algorithm, gradient descent algorithm. After gradient descent algorithm, cost function. Conclusion of the story. Inside ML algorithm, cost function is already configured actually. We no need to calculate the error. Calculating the error will be taken care by ML algorithm. Calculating the error will be taken by whom, sir? Actually, ML algorithm. We no need to understand the error value, but still, hey Daniel, I wanted to know the error value. Yeah, there is a function. By using this function, you can understand actually. Mean underscore square underscore error. This is called as a MSC. What is this one, sir? MSC. Good. If you want, you can take this example and you can run this one. If I'm running this example, what is output actually? Any idea? What error? Good. Here it is what exactly? Actual. Here is what exactly? Now let us run this. But let me tell you frankly, the error value is 0.35. What is error value? 0.35. If you are getting error value is the 300 actually, frankly speaking, 300 is a big value. 300 is what exactly? And one more point you need to understand. Error never be zero. Talk with me one more time. Error never be zero. Daniel, tell me what do you mean by this? Error never by zero means, hold on. Currently, 2020 match is going on, sir. 2020. Are you seeing actually? I know you guys will see actually. Very good. Now let us take initially. Let us take I like 50-50 match actually. Let me take India. Let me take India is planning to play, and this is the actual score. This is the predicted score. This is the error value. This is what exactly, sir? Error value. Assuming that, I'm sorry, morning 9 a.m. I done prediction. I thought match is going to get a 350 actually. But exactly after the time I came across, once the match is finished, 300 is the actual score. Now, what is error value? 50. Very good. Now at 10 a.m., I changed my decision by looking at the previous matches actually. I thought the prediction will be something like a 320. I'm thinking, I'm doing prediction actually. I can do prediction, right? I can do prediction. I can check how much, our India is going to hit the score actually. After closing the match, I came across the final score is a 300 actually. Now talk with me. What is error value? 20. Now, exactly 9 p.m. match is going to start. 9 p.m. match is going to start. I done the prediction before match is going to start. 3 ton, sir. What is that one actually? 3 ton. After match is over, I came across 300 actually. What is error value? 10 actually. Good. Now talk with me. Sir, whenever you are doing prediction, look at my point. This is important. Whenever you are doing prediction, definitely there should be some error. But randomly somebody done the prediction 300 actually, and actual score also 300. Actual score also what exactly? 300. Let me know, sir. We can do some betting actually. What is error value here actually? 0. This is highly impossible, are you getting what I'm saying? Exactly. Do the prediction 300 value 300. Highly impossible. Highly impossible actually. At least you may get a 301, 302, 303, 305, something like this. Conclusion of the story. Now read this point. Error never be 0. But error can be small value. Error can be what exactly? Error can be small value. Error can be what exactly? Small value actually. Keep in mind that. Highly impossible, sir. Highly impossible. Whenever you're talking about the machine learning, definitely there should be some error. But that error is, small errors are acceptable. Small errors are what exactly? Acceptable actually. Good, all right, let's move on. And this is about mean squared error. This is about what exactly, sir? Mean squared error. Next one is root mean squared error. What is the next one? Root mean squared error. Same function. The root mean squared error means just try to apply square root over MSC. Square root over MSC actually. And the function name is the same. Expected, predicted, and squared equals to what exactly? False. My favorite syntax. What is that one? Keyword argument. Simple. The same previous code. Here you just need to add squared equals to false. Can I ask a question? Can I change this name? What is the error? Type error. Description. Super, sir. Very nice. Unexpected keyword argument. Very nice. Good. Some warning. You can ignore. Squared is deprecated in version 1.4. Will be removed 1.6 to calculate root mean squared error function. Oh, new function came, sir. New function came. That new function name is a root mean squared error actually. It is okay. That still warnings are acceptable actually. Let's move on to the discussion. Mean absolute error. What is the next one? Mean absolute error. And one more point you need to understand. One more point you need to understand. Read everyone this point, sir. Error never be. One more time. Error never be 0. Last time. One more point you need to understand. Error never be negative. Error never be what exactly? Negative. Can somebody guess actually? Yeah, MAE. Next one is MSC. Next one is RMSC. We never ever get negative value. Why? Any idea? Very good. Here, what we are applying actually absolute. Do you know the meaning of absolute actually? Since you're in your childhood actually. Yeah, modulus. Here, what do you mean by yes, sir? Even if you are getting negative value, backend it is applying square. It is applying what exactly? Square actually. Then it is a positive value. Here also what exactly? Positive value. There are 2 points you need to understand. First one is a error never be 0. Next one is what exactly? Error never be negative. Because of these one. Because of what exactly? These things actually. All right. Mean absolute error, the function name is, take this one. Now, did you remember during simple linear regression, I told I can discuss later actually. Now I will help you. What is the topic? What is error value here actually? Talk with me. 0.5. Later I can tell when should we go for which error actually. Now go back. Somewhere I parked one discussion, sir. Can somebody help me? Not R squared. Yeah. Evaluation matrix. Good, good. So there is a topic. The topic name is called as a 9.1 actually. This example. The document number is a 9.1. I'm sure here we done based on our students predicted score actually. We done these are all stuff. Am I right or not, sir? Then move on. Model with training is already done. And here I told, don't worry, I cover these things in some day actually. The topic name is called as what exactly? Evaluating algorithm. Read everyone. What do you mean by evaluation? I just wanted to know what is error value, how the algorithm is really working very well, right? We need to evaluate performance of algorithm. This step is particularly important to compare how well different algorithms perform than the particular data set actually. Hold on. For the same data set, we can apply different algorithm. This point later you can understand. Yeah, evaluation matrix. This is also called as a cost functions. This is also called as what exactly, sir? Cost functions. First one is a MAE, MSC, or MSC. Now please observe here. No need to remember math. You can still ignore actually. We need to calculate manually. Please observe this one, sir. Please observe this one. Loading the data set, preparing. Can somebody talk with me? Data preparation. This step is what exactly? What is the ratio? I will cry. Yeah, good. 80 belongs to training. 20 belongs to. You are getting right what I'm saying. Random underscore size state means only first time. Second time onwards? No? Yeah, good. No shuffling. Come on, talk with me. Next one. Model creation. This step is what exactly? Model training. What is the method name? Fit method. Good. Now prediction value you are getting. What value you are getting? Prediction value. Now matrix dot mean absolute error. We are doing, we are calculating MAE value. Mean squared error. We are calculating MSE value. And for this one, we are applying square root. We are applying what exactly? Square root actually. Now I'm sure this you can understand. Yes, are you getting? Good. Let me run this example. The purpose is what exactly, regression, cost functions, also called as a evaluation matrix. Matrix, sorry, it's not like matrix, it's a matrix actually. Step number one is what exactly, sir? Importing. If anyone joined late for the today session, Monday there is a importing libraries. Monday I'm planning for resume preparation. I will explain resume actually. What is a resume? What are all things we need to add in resume actually? All right, let's move on. Step number one. Step number two. What is the step number two, boss? Loading what exactly? Data set. These are all steps you should know, sir. Loading the data set. Very quickly, let me just try to write these are all stuff. Data preparation, splitting the data, model creation. 3 steps, let me write in one shot. Loading the data set. Next one is data preparation. Data preparation. Data preparation means what exactly? X and Y. Means nice. Enough. Next one is splitting the data set. Go like this so that you never confuse actually. You should understand where exactly you are. Step number one, step number two. That is a good practice. Even if it takes some time, it is okay. Nothing is wrong. We are not going in a flight actually. Let me run till now. If I run this example, what is output? Nice, good catch. Go back and what is the file data set name? Student underscore scores. Student underscore scores. Okay. Run sir. Good. Yeah. Read everyone. What is the step number one? Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set. What is pending? Model creation, model training, model prediction, and apply evaluation metrics. Okay, am I right? Good. Come on. Let us apply that one. Model creation, model training, and prediction. Model creation, model training, and prediction. This one, I would like to give something like a model, sir. Step number 5, model creation. Step number 6, model training. Step number 7, model prediction. Step number 5, 6, 7. I know it takes time, but you never forget in your career actually. There is a motto. Model training, model creation, sorry. Model creation, model training. Next one is model prediction. All right, come on, let us run this. Come on, come on. Yeah, go for evaluation matrix, sir. Just try to come here. I just wanted to help you. Step number 8. Generally, let me write step number 8 is the deployment actually. Special step. Let me write special step actually. Cost function result. From your batch, somebody asked, boss. From your batch, somebody asked, like when Panda started actually. Just 2 days back, Panda started for evening batch. I don't know who asked actually. I may not remember, name by name actually. If you are looking for that one, kindly please, you can connect to admin. They will help us. All right. I hope you understand, sir. Yeah. Sir, talk with me. Which error is a small error? MAE is a small error. Compared to what exactly? This is a very big error. This is what exactly? Somewhat okay. This one and this one. We do have a separate discussion. When should you go for MAE? When should you go for MSc and RMSc actually? During that time I can cover. Now, did you understand? What is the today topic? Whenever generally if you're providing data frame, next one is the array, next one is ML algorithm, backend something is running, sir. What is running actually? Cost function. The main motto for cost function is it will update every time, it will update the error value. Every time it will update what exactly? Error always stays at top position, sir. Error always stays in a top position. Something like a mountain actually. Go to the mountain. You just try to leave the ball actually. That ball will reach in down direction. Am I right or not, sir? If you want to hold on, I'm planning to show you 5:30. Go to machine learning, real-time projects. This is the one company code actually. Where is gradient descent algorithm? Yeah. Look at this diagram, sir. Spend some time. Look at this diagram. Assuming that error value is something like a mountain actually. Yeah, please observe here. Error initially started here. Next one like this. Next one like this, like this, like this. Step by step, step by step. It is reaching here actually. It is reaching here. Did you notice? Means backend error is the initially it is a big error. What error? Very big error. And assuming that here value is the 100. Next one is a 90. Next one is the 80. Next one is the 70, 75, 60, 65, 50, 55, 40, 45. Like this, it will always reach at what exactly? Some minimum level. What level actually? Yeah. Conclusion of the story, this one will be taken care by gradient descent algorithm. Back end, what is the function? Cost function. What is the function? Cost function. This is the one diagram. Next one is this you can ignore. This might be helpful for you. Maybe this diagram I will help you. I will upload actually, but slowly by slowly observe here actually. Sir, I hope everyone knows about the machine learning. Simple linear regression. Am I right? Simple linear regression. Then we have plotted the data. When we plot the data, we came across data is traveling from downward direction to what exactly? Upward direction. That to straight line. That to what line actually? If it is a curve line, what we need to apply? Very good. Nice. Nice response. Though here it is not a polynomial regression data, straight line actually. Now in a simple linear regression, we need to apply. What we need to apply? Sir, please look at the diagram, over this line and this one actually. Initially, the line is here. Then the error is here actually. This diagram talking about error is reducing. Once the error is automatically reducing, the line is setting actually. That point you need to understand, please. Once the error is minimizing to reach the small value, automatically the line is fitting for the data. The line is what exactly? Fitting for the data. But this is the backend process. This is what exactly? Let me tell you the good news actually. Till now, what I explained, it is an optional. Then you are thinking this point you should tell before starting the session. Am I right or not, sir? I am repeating again. You should know. Final conclusion, sir. For us, how our brain is leading, assuming that whenever you are going towards the road, actually, whenever you are riding the bike, our brain is guiding actually. Same thing like that. For machine learning, the brain is the cost function. For machine learning, brain is what exactly? Cost function. Cost function is a math calculation values. Machine learning algorithm and cost function always talks each other. Boss, this is the predicted value, this is the error value, and it will talk always each other. Finally it will give the good value, good prediction value actually. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Good. Maybe this diagram I can help you. All right. Okay, fine then. 4642. Go back. Cost function we done actually. Regression cost function we done. Classification cost function would have a separate discussion actually. What is the 17th topic? If 17th topic is the gradient descent algorithm, that we can ignore as of now. I can cover that one later. 5:30 machine learning gradient descent algorithm. This I can cover later, sir. The numbers mismatch actually. This is the 17. Upcoming topic. Logistic regression we need to continue. Logistic regression we need to continue. Running topic. Let us continue with this. Sir, steps are the same, irrespective of whatever it is actually. Yeah. First, what you need to understand, when I'm covering about these points actually. Talk with me, sir. First one, simple linear regression. Simple linear, what exactly? Regression. First of all, this is belongs to regression category. What category actually? Regression algorithm. Regression, what exactly? Let me ask you one question. What is regression algorithm? Any idea? By using regression, what we can do? Very good. Somebody responded. Very good. Exactly. By using regression, we can do prediction. We can do prediction for what exactly, numerical value. What value actually? What value? Numerical value. And the second one is what exactly? Any idea? Classification. Am I right or not, sir? Classification. Classification means what exactly? Any idea? Yeah, classifying the data. What exactly it is doing actually? Classifying, categorizing. Now today, the topic name what we are discussing, logistic regression belongs to classification. First, you should maintain that clarity. Logistic regression, don't confuse with the name of this one. Don't confuse with the name of this one actually. Linear regression belongs to regression category. Linear regression belongs to what category actually? Regression category. Hold on. Linear regression. Linear what exactly? Simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression. These are all belongs to which category actually? Regression. Now logistic regression, don't get it confused. It is belongs to classification technique. What technique? Classification technique actually. Okay. Yeah. Let us start the session. You should know that category actually, first of all. I will give a small introduction today. We'll see how it will goes. Logistic regression comes under supervised learning. Yes. It is a technique that is used to solve for what problems actually? Classification problem. Please don't ask what is supervised learning. We already done actually. Come and read one more time. What is the first point? Logistic regression comes under supervised learning technique. It falls under supervised learning technique. That too, by using logistic regression, we can solve classification problems. What problems? Classification problem. It is used for predicting the categorical dependent variable using for the set of independent variable. Same thing. Irrespective of either it is a simple linear regression or logistic regression. And by using these two, we can do always prediction, sir. We can do always what exactly? Prediction, no matter what actually. Right? And yeah, here also dependent variable would have, independent variable would have actually. Example, email is spam or not. Did you remember classification actually? Yes or no, male or female, survived or not. These are all belongs to what exactly? Classification. Either mail is a spam mail or not actually. Customer will buy the product or not. Read everyone. Good. I mean to say that, assuming that morning 9 a.m. I open Amazon website. What website actually? Amazon website. And 9:30 till 9:30 I was searching for one product actually. Assuming that the product is a Samsung mobile. What mobile? Samsung mobile. Along how long time I done searching actually? 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I didn't buy the product. Now, with the searching history, how long time I was surfing actually? 30 minutes. Amazon company will take that 30 minutes data and it will do the prediction. It will do what exactly? Prediction. In that prediction, it will tell directly either Nirishan is going to buy the product 90% guarantee or Nirishan is not going to buy the product actually. That is called as a customer will buy the product or not. That real time example we are going to do. That real time example we are going to do. That is called as a purchase intention model. That is called as what exactly, sir? Purchase intention model. Actually, slowly by slowly, you will understand. Types of logistic regression. Talk with me. First one is a binary classification. Next one is multi-class classification. In binary, the name itself is talking. Binary classification means it is having how many classes, sir? Two classes. Simple, two classes. Multi-class classification means it is having more than two classes actually. It is having more than two classes. In binary classification, it can be two possibilities like a 0 or 1, pass or fail, yes or no, male or female, survived or not, like a Titanic data set actually. These are all. In a multi-class classification, it can be more than three or two or more possibilities actually. Okay, good or best actually. Cat, dog, sheep, something like this. Okay, good, best. Best example. Hey, let us go for Amazon any product actually. It is having how many ratings? Any idea? Five rating system. What rating system? Five rating system. Multi classification. How, what is a rating system? Multi classification. In this room, binary classification. Either male category or female category. Either what exactly? Male category or female category. Let me tell you, in this universe, There are more classification problems. There are more what exactly? Classification problems. Good. Best example. You went for restaurant. You called me. Hello, Daniel. I went for one restaurant. Then immediately, what is my question? How is the biryani actually? Then you can respond. It is okay, good, best, or else it is worst actually. Something like that. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Right. Cat, dot, dog actually. Dog. Data set. We are entering into the example. Can we continue tomorrow? Hmm? I can continue tomorrow. We have another 5 minutes actually. But if I started, my weakness will be if I started, I will not stop, sir. That is my weakness actually. I don't want to stop in between. Talk with me tomorrow, Thursday, right? We have a session tomorrow. Get ready. On Monday, I'm going to help you how to prepare the resume actually. It's the right time. And if possible, I will show you how to upload resume also. How to upload what exactly? Resume. And interview preparation also, I will help you. Interview preparation material also. Why? Because suddenly if I explain resume preparation, interview preparation, you will get more interest. You will get what exactly, sir? More interest actually. Fine, right? We done for today's session. Hold on. Let me upload the material. Morning batch started in Kokatpalli. There was a student, he asked, what is the duration? I told 3 months actually. I didn't understand. He laughed, why, sir? I'm sure somebody referred actually. He will tell 3 months actually. Just I'm kidding. Which one is pending? Hmm? Come again? Yeah, it is already available, sir. I already uploaded actually. I didn't upload it. Oh, good. Then you guys need to remind me. Hold on. Harish, I will try to connect, sir. For sure, I will try to convert. 9.2, right? Am I right? 9.2. I'm sorry if I didn't upload it. 9.1 or 9.2, sir? Student score. No, 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 sir. Do let me know what exactly you guys are looking for. What is the data set name? Home prices. Which example? Home prices. Which example? I need example actually. Machine learning. Under which example? 16. Okay, okay, okay. Dummy variable and encoding. Okay, okay. Now, what is the data set name? Home prices 2. Okay. I'm extremely sorry. Let me upload. 2, right? Good. Let me upload. You are right, actually. Very good. Then you guys are following. Subhas, mostly next month midweek, sir. Mid or third week, I am planning actually. We'll see. Once machine learning is done, things will go very quick actually. It is very easy. I will not drag, I'm sorry. But definitely it takes time, sir. Data science is definitely it takes time. If somebody say, I'm going to teach data science within 1 month or within 15 days, no, sir, please. Yeah, 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 exactly. Introduction is not over for us. Cost functions material I upload actually. Yesterday itself I uploaded material. Then what is pending? Dummy variable cost function. Yeah, cost function I uploaded. Here also what exactly? Cost function. Here I need to upload running nodes. That's it. Only one thing is pending. Running nodes. Am I right? Good. Thank you. Let's move on. Fine, then we're done for today's session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining session. Did he explain the session for Stack Overflow? Okay. Project architecture. These are all very easy. Just matter of 30 minutes actually. Don't worry. To become as a data scientist, what is required, I can guide. I never skip any discussion. I never skip any topic actually. Fine then. We done for today's session. Thank you. Thank you so much. Online team, we done for sir. Harish, maybe during weekend. I'm seeing your texting actually. During weekend, please.